In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make style changes on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. To begin, open the page you want to update and click Edit in the top left corner. This puts the page into editing mode so you can access the layout and section controls. Next, move your cursor over the section you want to change. In the top right corner of that section, click Edit Section. This opens the settings panel for that specific area and gives you control over how the section is structured. One of the first settings you can adjust is the row count slider. This controls the vertical grid height of the section. If you increase the row count, you create more vertical space and more placement flexibility for your content blocks. If you reduce it, the section becomes more compact. This is useful when you want tighter spacing or a taller design. After that, look for the gap setting. Here you can choose between grid and no gap. Grid adds spacing between elements, which can help create a cleaner and more separated layout. No gap removes that spacing so the edges sit flush together for a tighter, more modern look. Choose the option that best matches the style you want for that section. You can also turn fill screen on or off. This setting affects how much vertical space the section takes up, especially at the top and bottom. Turning it on can make a section feel more full screen and immersive, while turning it off can keep things more contained. Once your desktop section settings are in place, click the mobile view icon in the top right corner of the top toolbar. This lets you see how the same content will appear on smaller screens. Mobile layout is important because blocks often need a different arrangement to stay readable and visually balanced. In mobile view, resize and drag the blocks into a vertical stack layout. Stacking content vertically usually makes the design easier to follow on phones and helps prevent overlapping or cramped spacing. Take a moment to make sure everything flows in a clean top-to-bottom order. When you are done with the mobile adjustments, return to the desktop view icon so you can switch back to the standard editor view. Finally, click Save in the top left corner of the main toolbar to apply your changes. That covers everything you need to know.